And good morning Facebook, how are we? We're live from sunny Somerset, yes. We look there under the door. The sun has finally come out, so we might get to top me tan up. He's coming up to first brew now. We're live from TTHQ, from Eeprom Central. I'll just turn you around so you can see. So the boys here now, we've been talking about checksums and CRC. And we're currently now opening ECUs up, and we're having a look at BVDI, reading IMO dumps and stuff like that. Really, really cool stuff. USB microphone on the go. And then the lads here now, they've just opened up this ECU, and they're fighting the good fight.
Don't know about that.
Fighting the good fight, they are. We've got...
starting to win.
Ibrahim's even brought his own with him, so so Ibrahim's sorting his own ECU out. Good lad, stronger together. He got a touch like a midwife, he has. Good lad. And also, bonus coverage. We're actually live on the Zoom, on the SimplyDiag.net Zoom. There's Adam there, just come in. So I'm going to talk to Adam. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. Next course, September, I think. Come and join us.